Alright, new ban list going into effect on the 25th. Let's go over this. Scroll down. No monsters? No main deck monsters, okay. Oh. No fusion monsters? No link monsters? No link monsters, no synchro. Oh, 1x's. Great! Of course! Oh, eyes hurt. I love Casture. It's an amazing deck. You might not like it. You might say, oh no, it does this and this and this, but it's breakable. Wait. Come on, Konami! Let me check the spells. No spells, no traps, no normal monsters. Come on, that's the perfect time to get rid of some normal monsters. Magnemite, of course. I don't know, modern Dragon Link? Does Dragon Link still play Magnemite? No fusion, no link, no XCs, no synchro. Oh, one spell. Chaos Space. Again, that's Dragon Link. No traps, no semi-limits. Oh, look at this. No longer the limit forbidden limits. Orange light, amazing. Oh, and Gazelle, finally. But why is it not? Where is it? Miss Galeniasaurus. Come on, we need Miss back. Well, top deck that. Subscribe button. You might get orange light. It's more common now.